what's up, Phantom Fam? How is everyone doing? We have a new unboxing and a product demo today. I'm going to be doing more of these kind of videos on the channel plus reviews. So if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Now let's open it up. But first, this is strictly for highway and night ride safety, guys. Please do not use this product in the city to show off. It's not meant for that. You should always be responsible with what you buy and why you buy it for. Okay, now no more lecture. Let's open it up and see what's in this. Get in there. Comes in a box. Okay, how do you open this? All right. Okay, what is this? I guess this must be a manual of sorts. It's from a company called Spiral Tech, and I will keep it like this so that if you want to read it, you can freeze it and read it. There's a number as well, a contact number. If you're interested in this product, I will also leave the link in the description below if you are interested. And the main thing, there you go. Wow, this looks better than it looked in the photos online. It's made in India. It's tested. Also comes with a warranty, and this I believe is the button for changing. Yeah, it's a button. So this specifically made for the KTM Dukes. I guess it also fits on the Dominar, and for other bikes you might need, they provide another adapter or some additional wires that you have to use. So without further ado, let's put this on the bike. Let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna put the hazard flasher now. Seat core. It's drizzling a bit, which is funny. Now you have to locate and open the alarm connector. Just remove that clip, and you have to put this securely in a place because you might need it. This will, if your vehicle is disabled or immobilized, you will need this to restart the vehicle. So make sure you store it in a safe place. Now we'll add the flasher, straight fix, disconnect it, and that's it. We'll keep it holder. We'll keep it the other way around till we have selected the mode. Now you just have to turn the key on and wait for 5 seconds. There you can see both the LEDs flashed. Now give right indicator once and left indicator once and cancel. परत कर give एकच फ्लॅश आला भाई, एक फ्लॅश आणि कॅन्सल. देअर यू गो. चल तो तुला पुढच्या काचेत दिसतंय का पुढं खिडकीत. ओके, नाव वी विल यूज, हे बघ आता हे बटन दाबत जा काय एकदा. नाव वी विल सायकल थ्रू द मोड्स, डिफरंट मोड्स. दाब एकदा. There you see the pattern changed. Dab. There you go. Now you keep doing this till you have selected the one you want. So we will maintain this one. पुढून दाखवतो एक मिनिट. काय तिकडे उजेड खूप. हां चालेल. Really easy guys. Now for other bikes you might need some additional connecting wires, so make sure you do that. And cancelling ला कोणचा पण एक इंडिकेटर दे आणि कट कर. To cancel, just give any indicator and stop. There you go. Now to start again, that's all you have to do. Right indicator once, left indicator once, and cut. And as easy as that. Safe riding on the highways, guys. Thank you, and do like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you.